Winter is fast approaching, and for some northern areas, it's already here. If your facility is classified as a combustible site, you need a safe and effective way to keep the building and people inside warm. Larson Electronics offers explosion-proof heaters for hazardous locations and combustible facilities. We carry a selection of fan-forced, convection, and hydronic heaters, which are compatible with single-phase or three-phase power. Standard fan-forced explosion-proof heaters in this series are permanently mounted to walls, approximately 10 to 15 feet from the ground. Portable units secured on a cart with a skid base and wheels are also available for temporary heating applications. These mobile heaters can be transported, deployed, and stored easily by the individual. For durability in combustible working environments, our explosion-proof heaters are protected by non-sparking aluminum or heavy-duty steel. A long-lasting powder-coated finish enhances the exterior of the units, allowing the surface to withstand rugged environments. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today! At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.